Hello everybody, you are watching channel No Limits. Guys, we all are YouTubers and the problem we often face while creating any new YouTube channel is how do we create our introduction clip. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create your own introduction clip without downloading any software just in few minutes. So keep watching this video till end and let's roll the intro. So guys, all you have to do is open your Chrome, type clip maker 3. You will see here a website named Penzoid. Click on the website. Now we are on the home page of the Penzoid. You can clearly see there are many templates here and these are looking awesome. Let us select one of these templates. Open in clip maker. To check how is the template, let us play it. Not so good. Let us choose another one. Looks like my intro, na? Okay. To change the name, you will see here a cubicle box. Click on that box. You will see there are many settings. What you have to choose is text. Click on the text, clear data and no limits. My channel name is no limits, that's why I'm typing no limits. You can type any name. Let me here N. So you can clearly see the name has been changed. Now let us play again. Is it good? Isn't it? So how to download it? You will see here a download button. Click on the download button. There are many modes. We show you fastest render, balanced, good quality, extreme quality. If you select extreme quality, it will take some time, but for now I will select balanced and start video render. It will take some times, have some patience. You will see here two buttons: download your videos and return to editing. Select download the videos to download the videos and return to editing if you want to add some more. I will select download the video. My download is starting. As you can see, my video has been downloaded. Let us play it. Okay, so as you can see, the video is good and it is as better as I expected. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. I will see you next time.